to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shelly. So I have a quick tutorial for you guys on this Topknot bun that I did. It's pretty easy, guys. So here are the products I'm going to be using. So I have the Garnier Whole Blend Soothing Leave-In Conditioner. I have the Ego Styling Gel, and it has no alcohol in it. Then of course this, and 2 bobby pins, and of course my hair wrap.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind. About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Maybe my compass was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last that long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. Dancing on the moon. Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep. It's so deep.
So that's basically it. And then I'm gonna get my headscarf and the bike. And I'm not gonna spray the top or nothing because I'm gonna take it out later anyways. So this is just for tonight. And then I'll just leave my headscarf on until I am ready to go. So once I take this off, I probably won't be dressed, but I'll come back and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna take it off. I've had it tied for a little bit now, so it's still kind of wet, but that's what it looks like. And I guess I'm gonna take it out later anyways, because I can't sleep in this. It's gonna give me a headache, but yep. Okay guys, so I'm giving you a closer look up close, and you still see the frizz, which I don't care because like I said, I'm not gonna have it in for long. So let me turn. So I don't know if you guys can see the back right there, and yeah, and that's it. So that's my quick go-to Topknot bun, and my face is greasy, but again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.